Calm down, my friend. I think everything is going to be okay. None of my research is telling me that this is the start of a new bear market. I had a member reach out to me today and say, John, it's doomsday. What's going on? And I thought, wow, man, if you think today is doomsday, just a few percentage points down from all-time highs, if this is doomsday, what do you call a bear market? I do not yet think that we have enough fear or selling in order to be a buyer if you do have cash on the sides. I want to see more selling and more fear to potentially even be a buyer. Now, personally, I have very little cash that I could even put towards more of my core positions, but I realize people come into cash at different times and could have some cash on the sidelines. So again, personally, I think we need more fear and more selling to have a higher odds buying opportunity. An interesting thing happening here is we have not often had the the NASDAQ 100 down for 3 days in a row, which I believe is what we have today. A lot of the times this year in 2025, when the NASDAQ 100 has been down for 3 days in a row, it has then come up from there. On the S&P 500, SPX, yep, we have come back down. We negated that unconfirmed breakout above 6,836. We are now back to the confirmed breakout above 6,696. We came within about 10 points or so of closing that unfilled gap that we made between Friday, where that wick is very low, and then Monday, where we started very high. So yeah, potentially on a technical basis, this is a point where maybe, I don't know, we could start to come up higher from here. But again, better buying opportunity would be more fear and more selling, so patience if you have cash. Natural gas has been an absolute rocket ship. It's almost like the new gold. Here we are making now an unconfirmed breakout above $4.21 a cubic foot. I think if we confirm the breakout by closing meaningfully higher tomorrow, we could come up even a little more to $4.40 a cubic foot. So this is wonderful for my long natural gas position. This is obviously bad for my short natural gas position. I'm willing to continue to hold on to both of them. And I can be wrong. I just don't think natural gas gets a lot higher than we are right now. Potentially, I could, in the coming days, get out of the rest of my long natural gas position, maybe add to my short natural gas position, but we shall see. But watch these levels, very interesting. Crude oil up a little bit today. Personally, I still do not see either a buying or a seller opportunity in crude oil. Yep, we are still now in that confirmed breakout above $58 a barrel. We just came very close to hitting $58 a barrel pre-market this morning, but crude oil prices are not low enough for me to go long, and they're certainly not high enough for me to short it. So in my opinion, patience on the next crude oil trade. Gold is a little more interesting. Down in the day as of the middle of the afternoon, we're in that confirmed breakout above $4,066 an ounce. Earlier today, we did come up to and pierce above $4,224 an ounce. So we fulfilled that obligation to come up that far and then broke down. Doesn't mean we continue to break down. It just means it got up to that level and came down today. The next really bullish thing for gold would be an unconfirmed and then a confirmed breakout above that top line there, $4,224 an ounce. Could be bearish for gold if we continue to break down from here. Continue to watch my videos, watch these levels. I'm traveling again tomorrow and may not have a video out until sometime after 4 o'clock Eastern time. A little bit of patience with me, thank you. This is not investment advice, and if you don't know me, I'm John Crocker, professional investor, proud American, cigar lover, and owner of Crocker Capital, LLC.